Hello from Atlas. Everything you need to build a PC. Towers. This is the first thing you want to select. Towers determine the space your PC will take up as well as various internal component dimensions and sizes. They also vary in their shape and size with no official standards. Full towers and mid towers are the ones you want to use for gaming. They are often 20 inches in height or larger, and this can be used as a rule of thumb. They provide their own benefits, which usually can outweigh their increase in cost. Full towers offer greater airflow, which can lead to easier temperature management. Cable management. Decrease clutter. Upgrade parts. Head to atlaspcbuilder.com for the best gaming towers of 2021. Motherboards. The official sizes for motherboards are ATX and EATX. The motherboard you want to use for gaming and building a modern PC in general. The motherboard will directly or indirectly determine all of your remaining internal components. This ranges from CPU and motherboard socket compatibility and other various additions such as PCIe slots and M.2 NVMe 4.0 slots for SSDs. Our free guide can help you better understand and visualize these components. CPU. Central Processing Unit. Informally called the brain of your PC. Aided by the RAM and GPU, we will discuss later, the CPU controls all the functions and data of your PC. The two main manufacturers of CPUs are AMD and Intel. Each CPU has a socket that is compatible with on the motherboard. Every socket does not accept every processor. It is important to triple check that your CPU will fit and work with your motherboard. Clock speed, single-thread performance and other tests are discussed and elaborated on in our guide. Link in the description below. RAM. Random access memory. The RAM is the temporary storage of your PC and aids the CPU by eliminating the need to access the hard drive or SSD. DDR4 is the most common and modern type of RAM. It is the cheapest way to quickly boost the performance of your PC. Usually. GPU. GPU tragedy of 2021 describes the lackluster products released this year, as well as the increase in price due to the lack of quality GPUs. High-quality GPUs can do things such as ray tracing, which is an advanced visual feature that allows light to be traced over objects to create stunning visuals in-game. There are two types of GPUs, to keep it simple, and they are discrete and integrated. Discrete are the typical ones we see that attach to the motherboard, while integrated are typical built into the CPU or motherboard. The amount of VRAM, video random access memory, is very important and directly relates to the price of the GPU. High price does not equal quality. GPUs are important for gaming, video rendering and editing, and necessary for future streamers. Storage/memory. Solid-state drives versus hard disk drives. Which one is better? Price. SSDs are more expensive. Speed. SSDs are on average 30x as fast as hard disk drives. The difference in speed is due to how they actually work. Hard disk drives uses spinning magnets while SSDs use NAND flash, and both SSDs and hard disk are non-volatile. Unlike RAM, will retain data if power loss. Accessories. Gaming chair for comfort due to you sitting for extended periods of time. Gaming monitors can impact gameplay due to their refresh rate, which is the hard cap for how quickly your monitor can produce images. Microphone and camera. These two items are essential for streamers. They can make or break your stream health. By providing your viewers with quality video and audio along with personality, you should watch our video on everything a streamer needs. You increase viewer engagement and give them a positive experience. Bonus tips. Screwdriver kit meant for computers. Fans and radiators for customization and to regulate internal temperature. Velcro for wires and cables. A clean PC is a good PC. Thanks for watching. Like if you enjoyed and share with friends. Visit atlaspcbuilder.com for all your PC needs. Hello from Atlas. Everything you need to build a PC.